Welcome to Bestusefultips. I will show you how to use Magic Eraser on your Google Pixel 8 Pro device. Open the Google Photo app or any photo you want to remove object or obstacle. Now tap on a edit icon at the bottom. Now swipe, tap on a tools. Here you can see the Magic Eraser option. Tap on it. Now it will find you suggestion object. Now circle or brush to erase the object you want. Here we select this. Now we wait. Now you can see remove the object. If you even see, just again draw or circle. Now remove the object from your photo. It's quite easy to use magic eraser. Tap on a done. Tap on a save copy. Now you can see remove the object. Compare with your previous photo and you can see the difference between this. That's it. If you like it, share it.